Welcome back. I hope you're feeling awesome. As a part of this video, we'll understand examples for data transformation validation. In the previous video, we understood how the data transformation validation is done. Now, we'll take one or two examples to demonstrate this. So let us say you have two source tables. One is an employee, the second one is a employee salary details. So as per the transformation logic, you have to aggregate couple of columns here. When I say aggregate here, the context here is we are bringing together the columns of two tables, table 1 that is employee and table 2 that is employee salary details, and we are making a employee table in the target table. So name is coming from here, department ID is coming from here, a role is coming from here, only the salary is coming from the second table. The transformation here is aggregating the columns from two different tables and making it a one table in the target table. What you have to do is you have to write a SQL query to select the relevant columns from these two tables. So you'll get a results from that. That results need to be compared with the target table. You'll get to know whether properly transformation has happened or not. We'll also see a couple of hands-on examples to understand this. One more aggregation type where we are aggregating the numerical values is as per the transformation logic, we need to aggregate the salary based on the department ID, right? So in this, if you see department 1 has to be aggregated and then department 2 has to be aggregated, sorry, and department 3 has to be aggregated. So we have to group by based on the department ID and add the salaries. So that is what aggregation says. So what you have to do is again you write a SQL query by grouping on department ID and sum the salary. So you'll get a results, right? So that results need to be compared with the target table. In this case, this is a target table, and see whether the aggregation has happened properly or not. One more requirement is, let us say we have a table called employees here. In this table, you want to remove the duplicates, which is also called as a deduplication. What we have to do is we want to deduplicate, or we want to remove the duplicates. We want to remove the redundant data. So again, the same here. Let us say if you see, we want to take out the duplicate names from the name, and we have to look at the recent salary. See here, the salary to some extent is not right here. So we are going to take out the duplicate names from this column and only get the unique names to here. Again, as a part of the data transformation validation, you write a SQL query to remove the duplicates and you will get results. That results need to be compared with the target table. Then you'll get to know whether your transformation has worked or not. Wonderful. We understood how do we validate the data transformation as a part of the ETL while building the data warehouse. We'll look at few hands-on examples. Thank you.